Homemade blemish gel with aloe vera. This blemish gel will not only clear up your skin, but it will also soothe and heal it. Since it is oil-free, it's safe to use on acne-prone skin. It won't clog the pores, and therefore won't cause more breakouts. How to make it? Take a measuring cup, and add 1/4 cup of pure aloe vera gel into it. Then 5 drops each of tea tree and lavender essential oils. Mix the ingredients using a whisk to make a gel, then transfer it to a clean container, or an empty hand sanitizer bottle. How to use it? Wash your face first, then pat your skin dry, and apply a thin layer of this gel all over your face. Let it dry on your skin, then apply a pea-sized amount of shea butter to moisturize your face. The benefits of the ingredients for facial skin. Aloe vera gel is the base component here, and it has great soothing and cooling properties for your skin. You can use it for blemishes, as well as sunburn, burns, and even scars. Tea tree essential oil is one of the best natural acne remedies, because it fights off acne-causing bacteria, and prevents the formation of whiteheads. At the same time, it is also effective for reducing the excessive skin oiliness. Lavender essential oil is good for fading away blemishes and acne scars, and its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe skin inflammation and redness. If your scars and blemishes take long to heal, adding 5 drops of helichrysum essential oil to the gel can help. While helichrysum essential oil is optional in this recipe, it can add to the overall recipe's effectiveness, because it's quite good at fading away the scars and blemishes.